Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can select and move multiple items at once on the home screen on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. Now on the home screen, open up the folder, then touch and hold on one of the app icons. So for example, this one here, and then tap on select. After that, select multiple items that you want to move. And then to move it, simply touch and hold and then drag it out of that folder. And let's say if you want to drop it on the home screen, you can do so. If you do that, it will create a new folder. Otherwise, we can drop it into another folder. So for example, I will drop it into this Microsoft folder. And that's it. So that's how you can select and drop or move multiple item at once. Here I will select multiple items again, and then we can tap on create folder, and that will create a new folder from the selection. Otherwise, I can drag and drop it into another folder here. Okay, so it looks like we cannot drop a folder into another folder, so we cannot have a subfolder, but instead we need to select multiple items and we can drop them into the folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.